Okay, so today I actually want to do an in-depth review of SageFX. They are an unregulated ECN broker. I've been using them for the past year, never had any issues. I've done several deposits, several withdrawals, and all of them landed on time. No, really that much of a lag. Sometimes brokers will take a day to transfer your funds. No, within 1 to 2 hours, your funds are there. Let's go down and look at more stuff regarding the leverage, the deposits, all that nitty gritty. So going into, we have 500 to 1 leverage. You get to choose, of course. We do have a $10 minimum deposit. That is the minimum deposit, but the only downside is the withdrawal minimum is $100. You have to have a minimum of $100 in your account to withdraw. Otherwise, you won't be able to withdraw, say, 10, 15 bucks, 20 bucks. You won't be able to withdraw those small amounts. But to me, that's less of a downside than the reliability of actually receiving your withdrawals and stuff. They do have all the Forex majors, crosses, exotics, indices, commodities, cryptos. They do say they have US shares and stuff, but I don't trade any of that stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can go ahead and trade that. But that being said, they do have gold, silver, oil, and all those commodities. So that being said, they do use TradeLocker. TradeLocker actually provides all their information from TradingView. They run off of TradingView. So if you're interested in TradingView style charts too as well, TradeLocker is a very great option. I love TradeLocker personally. I think it's better than actually Sway's platform. I dislike Sway's charts. So that being said, I completely love TradeLocker. They do say they have raw spreads from 0.1 pips. I personally never seen it that low, but they do have tight spreads. I agree. They have great spreads. I like their spreads. I have no issues with that. Also, I never had any issues with spread widening. Some brokers will widen their spreads to knock you out. Never had any issues with that either. They do have 24/7 customer support, but I never had to use customer support because all my withdrawals, all my deposits went just fine. Always received them. Always received close to the exact amount of that amount I withdrew or deposited. So that being said, I want to go on to the transfers, deposits, stuff of that nature, withdrawals, just proof that I actually have deposited a lot of money into this and actually tested this for a good amount of time, and this is why I'm recommending them. But let's go into the deposits. I have deposited a good amount of money through here. We see $1,600, $570, $610, $645. That's $45 right when I started with this platform just to test it. Let's go into the withdrawals. The withdrawals, you can actually withdraw via Bitcoin. I use Bitcoin. I believe that's the only option now. They used to have one other option, but now it's just Bitcoin. I withdrew $200, $120, $130. All received them just fine. Never had any issues with withdrawals. That being said, once you actually deposit your money into your account, it's going to pop up here in your wallet. So then you want to do, you want to go wallet to trading platform. So you'll transfer your amount of money to your wallet to your trading platform. So let's go on to TradeLocker. Here's a little sneak peek of TradeLocker. I've been using them for the past year, and I love TradeLocker. I completely love TradeLocker. I don't really want to use any other platform other than TradeLocker. But as you see, I'm in a little trade here. We see, some rejections down here. Now it's starting to break above this level. So I'm confident it's going to retrace back up to where it fell on news the other day, but that's a different video. As you see here, we have several asset classes down here. You can look at all of them via all, or you can go down into here and they have a drop down of all the different categories you can trade. And they also have watch lists. So if you go over here to your favorites, this is your watch list. You can add all your assets that you trade to your watch list like I have here. But otherwise, execution on TradeLocker is prime. I love the execution. I've never had an issue with selling my orders right on time or buying in or any of that. Everything is fast, quick, right on the money. I love it. So that being said, I'm going to wrap up this review. If you guys are interested in this broker, I will have a link down below. You guys can go and sign up. I do earn a little commission from it, but that's not the reason why I'm making this. I actually trust this broker. I love this broker. I actually haven't been using any other broker but Sage. It's not very mainstream. There's not many influencers, backing it up, and majority of the ones I use from the big influencers end up ripping me off anyway. So once again, if you guys are interested in trying it out, go deposit a small amount of money, 10, 15 bucks, and go try it out for yourself. It will not hurt. But yeah, if you guys are interested, once again, I'll have the link down below.